In this video, I will show you how to allow only dates of the current month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns, one for the amount and another for the transaction date. Now, I want to create a validation that will only allow the date of the current month. I am recording this video in March of 2025, so I want to allow only dates of March 2025. To do that, I will use the Excel month, year and today functions. The year function returns the year of the specified date. For example, this year formula will return the year 2025 from the date of 15 December 2025. Similarly, the month function returns the month of the specified date. For example, this month formula will return the month number 3 from the date 1st March 2025. The today function returns the serial number of the current date. For example, this formula will return the current date on which I am recording this video. Once I get the month and year numbers from the date entered by the user, I will compare them with the month and year numbers of the current date. This comparison will return true if the month and year of the entered date matches with the current month and year, and false if it does not. Let's create a validation rule based on this. Select all the date cells, go to the data tab and click the data validation icon to open up the data validation dialog box. Since we are going to create a custom rule, select the custom option from the allow drop down menu. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the formula text box. Now we need to enter our validation formula that will return either a true or false value depending upon the cell value. I will extract the month and year numbers from the date entered by the user using the month and year functions respectively and combine them using the ampersand sign to create a string value. Since I want to allow only dates of the current month, I will compare it with the current month and year string using the equal to sign. I will pass the first cell in the range, cell C3, as an argument of the year and month functions. Excel will automatically apply this validation formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now, when I enter any date in March 2025, it works fine. But if I enter a date of any other month like this, Excel will display an error message. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. I can press the retry button to edit the date or the cancel button to clear the entered value. We can also change the title and message of the error dialog box to make it clearer to users. To do that, select all the date cells again, click on the data menu and then click the data validation icon. Now click on the error alert option at the top of the dialog box. Make sure that the show error alert after invalid data is entered checkbox is selected. I will type the invalid date text as the title and please enter a date of the current month text as the error message. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now, when we try to enter an invalid date in any of these cells, we will get the error dialog box with our custom title and message. To remove the date validation from these cells, select all the cells and then click the data validation icon again. Now click the clear all button to reset all the data validation values we entered previously. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now these cells do not have any date validation restriction and we can enter any date value we want. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.